Hello everyone, I am Pushpendra Kumar Kurre, Assistant Professor Serap, Sarkar University. Today's topic is classification of tablet ingested orally. Introduction. An oral disintegrating tablets or oral dissolving tablet is a drug dosage form available for limited range of over-the-counter and prescriptions medications. ODTs differ from traditional tablet in that they are designed to be dissolved on the tongue rather the swallow whole. फर्स्ट टैबलेट इंजेस्टेड ओरली उनके टाइप्स देखते हैं. फर्स्ट है आपका कंप्रेस्ड टैबलेट, सेकंड मल्टीपल कंप्रेस्ड टैबलेट और प्रेस कोटेड टैबलेट, थर्ड मल्टी लेयर टैबलेट, फोर्थ सस्टेन्ड एक्शन टैबलेट, फिफ्थ एंट्री कोटेड टैबलेट, सिक्स्थ शुगर कोटेड टैबलेट, सेवन्थ फिल्म कोटेड टैबलेट, एट्थ च्यूएबल टैबलेट्स. फर्स्ट कंप्रेस्ड टैबलेट, इनके फीचर्स देखते हैं. दिस टैबलेट्स आर अनकोटेड मेड बाय कंप्रेशन ऑफ ग्रेन्यूल्स. सेकेंड, दिस टैबलेट्स आर यूजुअली इंटेंडेड टू प्रोवाइड रैपिड डिसइंटीग्रेशन एंड ड्रग रिलीज. थर्ड, दिस टैबलेट कंटेन वाटर soluble drugs which after swallowing get disintegrated in the stomach and its drug content are absorbed in gastrointestinal tract and distribute in the whole body. सेकेंड है आपका मल्टीपल कंप्रेस्ड टैबलेट और प्रेस कोटेड टैबलेट के फीचर्स देखते हैं. दिस टैबलेट आर प्रिपेयर टू सेपरेट फिजिकली और केमिकली इनकम्पेटेबल इंग्रेडिएंट्स और टू प्रोड्यूस रिपीट एक्शन और प्रोलॉन्ग एक्शन प्रोडक्ट्स. सेकेंड फीचर है टू अवॉइड incompatibility the ingredients of the formulation except the incompatible materials. थर्ड फीचर है compressed into a core tablet and then incompatible sustained along with necessary excipients are compressed over the previously compressed core tablet. Fourth, a special type of tablet making machine is used which provides two compressions. थर्ड टाइप देखते हैं मल्टी लेयर्ड टैबलेट्स. उनके फीचर है दिस टैबलेट कंसिस्ट of two or more layer of materials compressed successively in the same tablets. The color of each layer may be the same or different. Third feature, the tablets having layer of different color are known as multicolored tablet. Fourth feature, these tablets are prepared to separate incompatible ingredients physically. फोर्थ देखते हैं सस्टेन्ड एक्शन टैबलेट्स. सस्टेन्ड एक्शन टैबलेट क्या होते हैं, इनके फीचर्स हैं. दिस टैबलेट आर यूज्ड टू गेट सस्टेन्ड एक्शन ऑफ मेडिकामेंट्स. सेकेंड फीचर, दिस टैबलेट व्हेन टेकन ओरली रिलीज्ड द मेडिकामेंट इन अ sufficient quantity and when required to maintain the maximum effective concentration of the drug in the blood throughout the period of treatment. Third feature, controlled release of drug help in getting the desired degree of action. Fourth feature, these tablets are gaining popularity these days. फिफ्थ आपका एंट्री कोटेड टैबलेट. उनके फीचर हैं दिस टैबलेट आर compressed tablet meant for administered by swallowing and are designed to bypass the stomach and get disintegrated in the intestine only. Entry-coated tablets. Second feature है these tablets are made to release the drug undiluted and the highest concentration possible within the intestine. Examples of tablet coating: anthelmintics and amobicides. Anthelmintics and amobicides. These tablets are entry coated tablet. Sixth, sugar coated tablet. These compressed tablets having a sugar coating are called sugar coated tablet. Sugar coating is done to make the bitter and unpleasant odor and the taste of the medicament. The sugar coating makes the tablet elegant and it also safeguards the drug from atmospheric effect. Seventh and आपका film coated tablet. The compressed tablet having a film coating of some polymer substance such as hydroxypropyl cellulose, hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, and ethyl cellulose. The film coating protects the medicament from atmospheric effect. The film coating tablets are generally tasteless, having little increase in the tablet weight and have a less elegance than the sugar coating tablet. लास्ट है आपका 8 नंबर च्यूएबल टैबलेट्स. These tablets are chewed in the mouth or broken into small pieces. This way, the disintegration time is reduced and the rate of absorption of the drug medicament is increased. Example, aluminum hydroxide tablet and phenolphthalein tablets. Thank you.